Wait, so here we are with Zevi. Hi, Zev. Hey, buddy. We're having some tea and pastry on a rainy day.
It's good.
San Francisco on a rainy day with Zevi. Just came home from daycare. And Zevi's eating his, Mom, why don't you give him one of his little cookies? Just, yeah. And everybody can see how Zevi can eat a cookie. Yeah, these are special, they dissolve in his mouth.
It's good, isn't it? Eat it. It's good. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah, that's right.
There we go.
Oh, look
There
at
we
that.
go. So everybody's having a little something yummy, a little nosh. And that's
Good.
it. Okay, we're going to sign off now. Bye-bye.
Did you get him doing that sound?
Yeah.